Good evening, good evening, good evening. More sun, more fun. Yes, more sun, more fun. Another day in paradise. And look at this. It's going down from the river into the sea. Nice place for me to have fun. I will be having some fun going down here. I will be moving just like that. River Moss and we just now having fun, letting the current take me down to the sea. Letting the current take me down to the ocean. Right now, this is where I'm at. Crossing the waters. I'm in the center. I'm in the center of the water. Yes. It's so beautiful here. Words cannot express. When you come here, you don't want to leave. That's for sure. You don't need a vacation. You need a staycation. You need to just come and stay. And the good opportunity about it is that I can stay for as long as I want to. Yeah, as long as I want to, I have the opportunity. More of the moss is going downstream. Pure life.